Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Carefully disconnect the main wireless LAN antenna cable from the system board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cable from the system board. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the left microphone ZIF connector and disconnect the left microphone ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the left microphone from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the left microphone and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the left microphone from the static dissipative bag. Insert the left microphone ribbon cable into the left microphone ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Place the left microphone onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Reconnect the main wireless LAN antenna cable to the system board. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless LAN antenna cable to the system board. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.